The ESOL Into courses are for people who wish to develop their professional culinary skills, and then for anybody whose second language is not English. We're trying to take all our students into professional chefs. That's what this course is about, really. So it's about getting the opportunities to embrace and get into education and training, and hopefully further their careers in a professional setting.
I study level 2 culinary skill. I love it too much. I find my teacher, Irina, first day, she said, we have culinary skill. Sure, you will be love that. I say, okay, I try. I have to learn many technique and recipes and how I use the knife for cut the vegetable, not like before, tak. Now, without any sound, I cut and I am happy. Oh, I am chef.
This whole ESOL Into course makes me really proud. The students that we've got on it are amazing and they love it. They absolutely love it. This is a professional qualification and they have the opportunity to turn into professionals, and that for me is the end game for these students.
I learn lots of the board before I not use them and I don't know them. Then now I know what means after strain. So have to strain the soup, okay? Thanks for this college. Thanks for this country. Thanks for ESOL. Do something for us. I love say for all my teacher, thank you so much for everything.